up, mga katambex? May nakita lang kaming sa Facebook, autonomy quiz. Autonomy quiz. So, this is it, pansit. Tatalinuhan ng magaling.
Yes. Then your anatomy and medical knowledge is seriously impressive.
Medical pala.
Let's begin. Question number 1. What is the largest organ of the human body?
Liver. Ay, skin. Skin.
Sure ka, skin sa'yo?
Heart.
Answer B. Skin.
Tinanong mo ako eh. Di na
Which
tayo.
organ pumps blood throughout the body?
A, lungs. B, stomach. C, kidney. D, heart.
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 Gaya-gaya ka. Okay.
Answer D.
Wait.
Heart.
Wait. Ang matalo, subsob na lang sa unan. Hindi sa pulbo.
Wala, ikaw dapat. Ikaw dapat ako nang sumagot.
Ha?
Ikaw dapat ako nang sasagot. Nagayaw mo ako eh.
Hindi, yung yung...
Kaya, ikaw ang sasagot.
Which type of doctor treats heart diseases?
Hindi tayo mga anatomy.
Cardiologist. A.
Cardiologist.
Mother, gagaya din naman siya.
Sabi ko, cardiologist.
I'm a doctor.
Answer A. Cardiologist.
Hindi man tayo
Eating too much salt can be harmful, mainly for which organ pair?
Kidney. C.
Anatomist.
Gagaya siya.
Hindi. Ikaw ang unang sasagot.
Answer C.
Kidding.
Kidneys.
Oh, so, pisagot ko. Pagkakarin mo.
What is the medical term for high blood pressure?
Diabetes, asthma, hypertension, arthritis. C. Hypertension. What's your answer?
What's your answer? Hypertension.
Oh, nagkagaya lang siya, guys.
Answer C. Hypertension.
Plus 2.
Human body.
How many
How many bones
are
there in adult human body? 206? D.
Ang galing mo manghula ya, 206.
No, hindi ako nanguhula, no? I'm a
D.
scientist. Nag-aaral naman ako.
Which mineral is most important for strong bones and teeth?
Ayan, teeth, speaking teeth. Calcium. Ay. Strong bones and teeth. Calcium, masagot mo. Zinc.
Sodium.
Answer A.
Calcium, because the... Hindi ko
Which
kailangan
organ
explain.
produces insulin in the human body?
Which organ produces insulin in the human body? Liver, kidney, pancreas, heart.
Pancreas.
Insulin, pancreas. Ano insulin? Ano nga insulin? Insulin? Heart? Ah,
A, liver.
Answer B. Pancreas.
Mali. Hindi ko alam mo eh.
Which food is commonly known to support eye health?
Ang dami pa nila. A.
eh, din ako. Carrots.
Answer A. Carrots.